What if you never had to make another sales call in your life and you could harness the power of AI to book meetings, answer calls, and even respond to prospective clients? Well, this is your chance to uncover more about how an AI agent can help with all of that. Stick around if you want to save time, money, and effort because AI agents are here to help you scale your business faster. Chris, there are a lot of real estate agents that have to stand at the door and welcome prospective clients to an open inspection. Now, the challenge that a lot of real estate agents do have is client follow-up. How can we use AI agents to automate this process?
So Steph, as soon as the lead enters their information into a form, you can set up an automated follow-up sequence using AI agents. Based upon the different information that they enter into the form, the AI agent can personalize their follow-up sequence. So for example, Jimmy over there is 45 years old and works on the weekends. It may not be a great idea to follow him up when he's working on the weekends. So for Jimmy, you can have the AI agent schedule a follow-up on the Monday when he's not working and tailor the message directly to him.
And if I was a real estate agent, I would want to use an AI agent to respond to prospective clients, answer basic questions, and then also issue follow-up emails or calls. Can this be done with AI agents?
Yeah, so the first step that I've seen real estate agents start to implement with AI is to have a voice AI agent. So imagine that a lead calls your mobile phone number and you're unable to answer. The AI agent then asks the lead what their name is, what they're after, and is able to book in a follow-up call and then answering the lead's questions and then scheduling a meeting in your calendar for you to follow up.
And what if the client doesn't respond? Is the AI agent smart enough to send follow-up emails once or twice? And when does it know when to stop?
The good thing about having an AI agent is you're able to contact leads via multiple channels. So we call this omni-channel in the CRM world. If you're unable to get in contact with them via phone, we can go ahead and send an SMS, or we can even go send an email. We'll then measure which of these channels the lead responds best to, as some people only respond directly to SMSs, others love taking phone calls, and some even open up their letters.
That's really powerful because then you'll be able to understand what methodology works, and so it's almost as if you can refine the approach and make it more targeted to either email, SMS, or voice calls.
Definitely. So over time, once you collect enough data from your AI agents, you'll be able to optimize and refine the actual processes. You might figure out that it's actually best to wait 48 hours after the previous contact, or you might start to discover certain patterns that males like to be contacted 3 times per week, whereas females only like to be contacted once. As you start to scale the AI agents in your business, you'll be able to refine and optimize the process.
And how long do businesses usually have to wait to gather information to commence data analysis?
What I'd suggest is even before you start, set your goals and objectives that you want the AI agent to automate. And as soon as you start collecting data, you want at least 1,000 events. This is where it starts to become statistically significant, where you're able to make changes and do A/B tests to see what converts at a higher rate.
And do businesses out there or real estate agencies need to join a specific platform to obtain these analytic or these data points?
It all depends on how you set up the AI agent. You really want to ensure that every single event or contact point is stored within a database. Over time, you'll have multiple different records which you're able to then analyze and draw insights from to make data-driven decisions in your business.
That sounds really amazing, and I can't personally wait to implement an AI agent because think about all the time and money that I get to save, and then I'll be able to focus on core activities within my business. And another question I have is, once we deploy AI agents, are there any other areas where if I do have a different sales channel, can I deploy the same AI agents, or would I have to set up another AI agent for a specific sales channel?
What I'd suggest is for new AI agents that we start completely from a new channel. We don't want to mess about with your existing mature channels. So these are established channels like your phone call, IVR systems, or your email routing. What we do suggest though, if you're implementing an AI chatbot, to identify new web pages that you can add the chatbot and measure the channel from there.
And with mature work channels, is there a opportunity for us to break that channel and implement an AI agent so we can improve the efficiency of how the channel works, or do we absolutely need to start a brand new channel and not leverage what we already have?
So I would suggest that we leverage what you already have, but perhaps put the AI agent at the start of that channel. So, for example, as soon as a customer fills out a form, have the AI agent do the analysis and then route the inquiry to the proper channel. That way, you're able to have the AI have the first pass at solving the inquiry. And then, if it is one of those more complex cases, you can then push it ahead into your existing mature channels and have a human in the loop to handle those more complex sort of inquiries that we get. So what you really want to do is have AI agents solve all the low-hanging, low complexity tasks, and then as you start to learn and get more familiar with AI, then you can start to expand their remit and handle more and more complex tasks in your business.
If you found this episode useful, don't forget to subscribe and make sure to follow us on the next episode when we bring more AI information to you so you can harness the world of AI.